Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator on crypto.com. It's really simple and easy. You can have additional security on your account over here by enabling our two-way authenticator. So simply click on this hamburger icon on the top right and click on settings. In this page, click on security, and over here you can see that we have a two-factor authentication. Simply select that and you have to toggle this on. Then you have to enter your passcode, and over here simply scan the code or paste the following code or data over here provided to you and paste it into our Google Authenticator over here. After that, you will then be able to connect and set up the Google Authenticator to your crypto.com account or app. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set up Google Authenticator on crypto.com. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.